Hello, and again a video. Even I uploaded a video yesterday. Maybe you saw this video. It's a video about parting. So even I did this yesterday, I do it today again, and this because I got a lot of emails. People asking if I can show the job of parting also on a smaller machine. And yes, of course, I can do. What you see here is a smaller machine. It's an EMCO 11. EMCO is a company in Austria, and this machine is really much smaller than the big one of yesterday. And we are doing the same. We have the same material. It is C45. What is the American name? SAE 1045, I think, right? So it's the same material, steel, and with this system. The size of this system is the size AS. It's a very small one. The size here of the top slide of the compound rest is just 70 millimeters. And the holder which we will use is this one. It's a smaller one, of course, and we use a 26 millimeter blade. Even it's a small machine, I can use this bigger or this big blade. Why? Because the holder has here a step. So I can put the holder more deep in the tool post over the edge of the compound rest. Okay, so let us start. We do here the same like we did yesterday. No fluid, no cooling fluid, but I put some oil on it just for the beginning. But nothing else, because I don't want that you see just the fluid against the camera. I think it's better when you see the chip, right? Okay, about the speed, I choose 410 RPM, sorry. And the feet is 0.1 millimeter. So 1/10 of a millimeter. So we take a small slice. Now we have to tighten up. This you have always to do, okay? Stability is always the most important point, and this makes it more stable. So I think we can start. I will move the camera a little bit back to show you how fast it's turning here, the handle, right? And you will see how the chip is going. Okay, that's it. Very fast, right? How long? 10 seconds? 12 seconds? I don't know. So let us see what we have. Oh, looking not bad. If I would use this piece for something, maybe I would cut one little chip here, but looking not bad. So let us see the chip. Again, the same like yesterday, a nice one. And now let us see our slice. Very nice, but this one is more hot now. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you see here. It's a very nice slice. The size here is maybe 1.5 millimeter. And it's okay. Good. You see, it's also possible on a smaller machine when you have a good system on it and a good holder. Okay, bye-bye.